So now I'm gonna teach you how to download this. First, let's look at Google and let's search Naruto Senki the final mod. So this is where you're gonna press. So if you want to download it, just download this. And then you will just go right back and press it again. Press that, and now